Welcome to the class, students. This is a lesson series for ordinary level mathematics 2025. In this session, we discuss a past paper question based on surface area, volume and logarithms. This is the first discussion of this lesson series. Right. We have selected a question from 2024 ordinary level past paper. Let's read the question first. 9 small solid metal right pyramids, each with a square base of side length A and height 2A, are melted, and a solid right circular cylinder of base radius R and height 3R is made without any wastage of metal. Show that A cubed is equal to 5 upon 2 R cubed. Before solving, try to imagine the situation given in the question. 9 small solid metal pyramids are melted, right? And using that metal without any wastage, a right circular cylinder is formed. The base radius of the cylinder is R and the height is 3R. First, we have to show that A cubed is equal to 5 upon 2 R cubed. Let's see how to do that. You know that the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 of the area of the base into perpendicular height. Now, you know that here this side length of base of this pyramid is A, then the area A into A into A. Perpendicular height is 2A. So, totally it is 1/3 into A into A into 2A. So, 2 into 1 it is 2, A into A into A cubed upon 3. Right. Then, let's see how to find the volume of this cylinder. You know that the volume of a cylinder is the area of the cross section into its height. So, it's a circular cross section. The area of that circular cross section is 5R squared. Height is nothing but 3R. So, 3 into 5, R squared into R should be R cubed. Okay. Now, according to the question, 9 pyramids are melted to form one cylinder. So, the total volume of 9 pyramids should be equal to the volume of the cylinder. Okay. So, we got that volume of a pyramid, it is 2A cubed upon 3. So, hence it is 9 pyramids into 9. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Here 3 cancel. So, 3 into 2 it's 6. If you take that 6 to the other side, so it becomes a division 6. Then again 3 to 6 will be cancelled. So, 3 it is 1 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 should be 2. So, it is A cube is equal to 5R cube divided by 2. So, it is same 5 upon 2 R cubed. Okay. Right. Then what? In the second part of the question, let's see it. In the second part of the question, if R is equal to 1.725 centimeters and taking phi is equal to 3.14, find the value of A cubed using logarithms tables and obtain the side length A of the base of a pyramid correct to the nearest centimeter. Remember that, nearest centimeter. Alright. So, here. So, here what you have to do first is you have to substitute 3.14 to 5 and R is nothing but 1.725, but it is R cubed here. So, it is 1.725 cubed. So, if you divide 3.14 by 2, you can have 1.57 times 1.725 cubed. Right. Okay. Then we have to take logarithms of both sides. Logarithm of A cube is equal to logarithm of 1.57 plus 3 times logarithm of 1.725. I hope you know basic logarithm rules. In logarithms, multiplications become additions and powers become multiplications. That, yes, you can see it here. Multiplication become addition, power 3 become what? Multiplication 3. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to find out logarithm of 1.57. If you write this 1.57 in scientific notation, it is 1.57 times 10 to the power 0. That 0 is the first digit here. Here, that's 0. Then how to read this first 2 and the third one? 15, 7. Okay, let's go to the logarithm table. 15th row, 7th column value. Here it is. 1959. It is easy to read like that. 1959. Okay, write it. 1959. Okay, 0.1959. So 3 into, then this one 1.725. If you write it in scientific notation, it is 1.725 times 10 to the power 0. That's 0. Yes, it is here 0 point. Then how do we read? 17 to 5. 17 to 5. Okay. See the logarithm table. 17th row, second column value is 0.2355. 0.2355. But there is one more value. It is 5. So you have to see the mean difference values. It is fifth column here, and under that column we have 12. Okay, it is not just 12, it is 0.0012. So if you add these two values, you can have 0.2367. So let's write it here, right? 0 is the index and 2367 is the logarithm table value. So if you multiply this value by 3, you can have 0.7101. Then you add these two, finally you can have 0.9060. Then what you do? Then you have to find out the anti-logarithm of 0.9060. So yes, let's see here. But 9060 is not there. So we have two values, 9058, 9063. So if we take the lesser value, so it is a row 80, fifth column value, right? 85, 85, and we need two more. So from mean difference, you can have that value. It can be either third column or the fourth column. So both values correct. 8053 or 8054. Don't write it 8053, write it as 8.053, 8.053. First digit, point, rest of the digits, right? And then you know that if I write 8053, 8.053 and times 10 to the power 0. How this 10 to the power 0 I have taken? So that 0 is nothing but this first digit. Why? That index, we use that index as the first digit here. Now it is antilog time. So then we again take that 0 to the power, right? 10 to the power 0. You know that 10 to the power 0 is 1. So if I multiply 8.053 by 1, it doesn't change. So same value, 8.053 or 8.054. Okay. Then if you round off that value, right, you can have round off to the nearest whole number, you can have 8. You know that 8 is 2 to the power 3, then definitely A should be 2 centimeters, right? 2 centimeters. Don't forget to put centimeters here, right? Alright, then let's move to the next question. Alright, in the last part of the question, it asks, from a solid cuboid with a square cross section of side length A and height 2A, if one small pyramid with the above mentioned measurements is cut and removed, find the volume of metal that is remaining. So you know that volume of a cuboid is cross section times its height. So if it has a square shape cross section, then it should be A into A square shape cross section area, and the height is 2A. So A into A into 2A, 2A into A into A cube. So how to find the remaining volume? So we know that if I subtract volume of a pyramid and I have to take the 3 as the common denominator, then what happens? If I take 3 as the common denominator, so suppose here we have 1 and 2 multiplied by 3 should be 6, right? So 6A cubed minus 2A cubed should be 4A cubed. So the remaining volume is 4A cubed upon 3, right? So if you need further support, you can contact me through WhatsApp. My number is shown on the screen. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channels and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications and join more discussions when I upload new videos. Okay, thank you very much.